So welcome to this 1,000-mile review of the Bell Moto 3 helmet. It's been a busy time for this Roland Sands design Moto 3. I picked it up and shot straight out to Italy for Snowquake, racing Harley Davidsons. Perfect chance for me to experiment with a helmet like this. I'm a big Bell helmet fan. I've been wearing them for years, but usually the 500, the fully open face one. This is the first full face Bell I've worn since the M4 Carbon probably 10 years ago. It's a very, very retro inspired helmet. If you're a city rider, if urban commutes and day-to-day riding at less than 70 miles an hour is your thing, this is probably a helmet you should take a look at. Well, it's a fiberglass shell, one piece, with 3 separate sizes of shell design and 3 separate sizes of EPS, the inner, the lining, the bit that protects you. This one in particular is one of the limited kind of paint designs. You can buy slightly cheaper, slightly different looking designs, but this one, being a Roland Sands one, it's a tiny bit more expensive. It also means it comes with this very trick looking suede liner. It was a ballsy move doing it in white. I think it won't take long before that's definitely not white, but handily this entire lining is completely removable and you can wash it, bring it back to life. This 5-pop visor just comes off straight away. If you feel like it's getting in your way, you can leave it at home. Stick a pair of goggles on this or a pair of sunglasses and just go about your business around town. It doesn't blow all over the place. Usually when you wear a helmet with a peak, you sometimes find that at motorway speeds the wind gets underneath and you find your head's being lifted like this. None of those issues with that, I'm guessing, because it's quite a short peak with that kind of retro 70s BMX styling. So all in all, for 299 quid, I think this helmet represents pretty good value for money. One thing I will say is the sizing. If you're new to open face helmets and new to Bell in particular, take the time to go into a dealer and spend some time trying these things on. Don't just buy them blind over the internet. Otherwise, you're going to find that you're just sending the thing to and from until you get a size that fits. This helmet's come to us from Bike Stop. You can buy one through our shopping channels at Superbike, or you can click to www.bikestop.co.uk and buy one today.